Ever wonder why some people succeed while others stay stuck?
Let's talk about a superpower. Not flying or invisibility, but something way more powerful: self-discipline. This isn't about being strict or boring. It's about having the inner strength to do what needs to be done, even when it's tough. It's the difference between dreaming and achieving. Think about it, you have goals, right? Big, audacious ones. But dreams without action stay dreams. Self-discipline is the bridge taking you from where you are to where you want to be. It's time to unleash your potential. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Ever wonder how some people achieve extraordinary things? Talent? Sure, it helps. But talent alone isn't enough. Many people have talent, but not everyone reaches the pinnacle of success. So what sets the achievers apart from the rest? The real secret is self-discipline. Think about Olympic athletes. They don't just rely on their natural abilities. Natural ability gets them started, but it's the grueling training, the early mornings, the sacrifices, that's self-discipline in action. They push their limits day in and day out, even when they don't feel like it. It's the same in any field. Whether it's doctors, chefs, or artists, the principle remains the same. Successful entrepreneurs? They don't hit snooze. They understand that every minute counts. They're up early, hustling, making their vision a reality. They plan, they strategize, and they execute with precision. Top performers in every industry understand this. Success is built on consistent effort, day after day. It's about showing up, putting in the work, and staying committed to your goals. Self-discipline is the invisible force that separates the dreamers from the doers. It's what turns aspirations into achievements. It's the key that unlocks your full potential. Without self-discipline, even the most talented individuals can fall short of their true capabilities. So, harness this secret weapon and watch yourself soar. Let's talk about real-life superheroes. Not the ones with capes and superpowers, but the ones who walk among us every day. These are people who have changed the world through sheer grit, determination, and self-discipline. They are the ones who inspire us to push beyond our limits and strive for greatness. Take Oprah Winfrey, for example. She overcame incredible adversity, including poverty and abuse, to become a media mogul and one of the most influential women in the world. How did she do it? Through unwavering discipline. She honed her craft, showed up consistently, and never gave up, no matter how tough things got. Her story is a testament to the power of perseverance. Then there's Arnold Schwarzenegger. From a young bodybuilder in Austria to a Hollywood action star and eventually the governor of California, his journey is nothing short of extraordinary. And let's not forget J.K. Rowling. She faced countless rejections for her Harry Potter manuscripts, but she never let that stop her. Driven by her passion and discipline, she kept writing, and today, her books have touched the lives of millions around the world. These stories aren't about luck or special privileges, they are about ordinary people who accomplished extraordinary things through the power of self-discipline and relentless effort. They remind us that success is not a matter of chance, but a matter of choice. It's about making the decision to work hard, stay focused, and never give up, no matter the obstacles. If they can do it, so can you. Remember, the path to greatness is paved with discipline, determination, and a never-say-die attitude. So what are you waiting for? Start your journey today. Section 4. Unleash your inner power. Practical steps for self-mastery. In this section, we will explore the essential steps you can take to master self-discipline and unlock your true potential. These steps are designed to be practical and actionable, so you can start implementing them right away. Ready to start your own journey of self-discipline? It's a path that requires commitment, but the rewards are immense. Imagine a life where you have control over your actions, where you can achieve your goals with confidence and ease. Here are some powerful, actionable steps. These steps are not just theoretical. They are practical actions you can take every day to build and strengthen your self-discipline. First, start small, win big. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Don't overwhelm yourself by trying to change everything at once. Don't try to overhaul your entire life overnight. Instead, focus on small, manageable changes that you can sustain over time. This approach not only makes the process less daunting, but also sets you up for long-term success. Start with a small, achievable goal. It could be something as simple as drinking a glass of water every morning or setting your alarm clock 15 minutes earlier. Maybe it's waking up 15 minutes earlier. This small change can have a ripple effect, improving your productivity and setting a positive tone for the rest of the day, or cutting back on social media. Small wins build momentum. Each small victory builds your confidence and motivates you to tackle bigger challenges. Second, find your why. What's your driving force? Understanding why you want to develop self-discipline is crucial. It gives you a sense of purpose and direction. Connecting with your why will fuel your discipline when things get tough. When you have a clear reason for your actions, it's easier to stay committed even when faced with obstacles. Third, create a plan, stick to it. Write down your goals. Having a written plan makes your goals tangible and gives you a roadmap to follow, and break them down into smaller steps. This makes large, daunting tasks more manageable and less intimidating. Having a plan provides clarity. It helps you stay focused and organized, ensuring that you are always moving in the right direction, and keeps you on track. Fourth, embrace discomfort. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. It's natural to want to avoid discomfort, but it's in these challenging moments that we grow the most. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. Don't shy away from challenges, embrace them. Each challenge you face is an opportunity to strengthen your self-discipline and build resilience. Don't shy away from challenges, embrace them. Each obstacle overcome strengthens your self-discipline. The more you push yourself, the more you realize your potential. Each obstacle overcome strengthens your self-discipline. And finally, celebrate your victories. Acknowledge and celebrate your accomplishments, big or small, and finally, celebrate your victories. Recognize your progress and reward yourself for your hard work. This positive reinforcement encourages you to keep going. Acknowledge and celebrate your accomplishments, big or small. It reinforces positive habits and keeps you motivated. Celebrating your victories, no matter how small, helps to build a positive mindset and keeps you motivated to continue your journey. Remember, self-discipline is a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Just like physical exercise, the more you practice self-discipline, the more natural it becomes. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. So start today. Take these practical steps and begin your journey towards self-mastery. The power to change your life is in your hands. Section 5. Embrace the journey. Conquer your dreams. Building self-discipline is a journey, not a destination. It's about making conscious choices every day that align with your goals. There will be setbacks. You'll stumble. You might even fall flat on your face, but that's okay. What matters is that you get back up, dust yourself off, and keep going. Don't get discouraged by the process. Embrace the challenges, learn from your mistakes, and never stop believing in yourself. The journey itself is where you'll grow the most, discover your inner strength, and ultimately, achieve your dreams. Section 6. Now it's your turn. You've got this. You have the power within you to achieve anything you set your mind to. Remember, self-discipline is the key to unlocking your full potential. Start today. Take that first step, no matter how small. Commit to yourself and your dreams. The world is waiting for you to shine. Go out there and make it happen.